Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up the 3CX web client in your web browser. You can use the 3CX web client with most browsers, but Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any other Chromium-based web browser is recommended. You'll receive a welcome email for your 3CX extension. If you do not have a welcome email, please reach out to Voxtelesys if we're hosting your 3CX. If we're not, reach out to your IT department. Please be sure to check your spam folder if you're not receiving your welcome email. Click on the web client URL labeled Outside the Office. Enter the login and password provided in the welcome email. Congratulations! You've successfully activated the web client in 3CX. You can now send and receive calls from your 3CX soft client. Check back for more videos as we're continually adding new content.